Was it true to have Saddam Hussein as a client?
Sure, that big client.
Really? How did it start? You just got a phone call from Iraq?
Yes, I got a phone call from the ambassador in Germany, in Bonn.
82, 83?
Mr. Hussein wants something special, and so I went to Baghdad. At that days I met him, and he said, listen, I have an idea. I get a special Aston Martin Lagonda, and can you do bulletproof? I said, no, I'm sorry, that I proved it doesn't function with the weight, not the level you want. He said, okay, can you do me a nice car? I said, yes. So I made the Aston Martin Lagonda as a first car for him,
yeah, I think
which went at that days already through the press. Hans Lehmann made some pictures, sent it around, and the car being delivered to the ambassador, and then the ambassador sent it to Baghdad. Then I went there. I got more orders, bulletproof cars than others, and then the car got stolen from a weapon dealer during the war.
Oh, yes.
American weapon dealer steal the car. He has already some Aston Martin. He was always hot on that car, and I know him. And so he stole it from over there, and then he wanted to sell it in Sotheby auction in America, but at the affair, it didn't work. They didn't allow it.
Yeah.
So anyway, he became retired, and he had a big house in Switzerland, and he had all these cars there, also that car.
Yeah.
Suddenly he passed away, and the car got sold to a collector in Berlin.
Really? Yeah.
Where the car ended. And then a friend of mine bought it from that collector. That collector also passed away, and the family sold all the cars. He took the Aston Martin, and he brought it to me, and I did the full restoration to the car.
Oh.
And then the auto build took a big story.
Oh.
And just because my friend wanted to sell it.
Yeah. Interesting story.
And the sales later was another story. The son-in-law of Saddam came, and they wanted to buy it, and they sent a general to prove the car originality, and that guy came like they are, 100,000 for me. Yeah. Then I make it happen. Yeah. Said, fuck you, go home.
Yeah.
So the car got sold to a Czech guy, actually in order for the president of Azerbaijan.
Oh wow!
And but he didn't accept it as price. So the car is still in Czech with this dealer, with this guy.
And some cars you worked with Gamballa for the interior, with the Gamballa?
No, not interior. I did all the bodyworks. That's a Gamballa.
Exactly, yeah.
That's a Gamballa. I did the convertible.
You did the steel.
I made the body,
work,
that body style, the top and everything, and like
so
most
in the 90s for the Gamballa, not in the 80s.
80s, I made. He got SEC convertible. He got SEC Gullwing.
Yep.
I made it for all of them.
Yeah.
If you know Koenig special white bodies. Before I made the convertibles.
There's like Koenig specials had convertibles, the wide 560.
Yes, the Sun King.
Yeah.
The Sun King, and at the end, first he made a convertible somewhere else. And then I been asked by court to be expert to see how the car was not well.
Koenig Specials did the competition convertible.
No, I made all of them.
Oh, you did all the convertibles.
But they sent me their white body stuff,
really?
And I installed it. And later they like it too much. They sent me all their cars. And we installed it, and we made the shipping from Hamburg. So for Japan, for Middle East.
Because I think Tyson had the Koenig competition convertible.
Yes, sure.
A yellow.
Yes.
Okay, so you did the convertible.
We did the convertible, and we received the white body from Koenig, and we put it onto the cars at that days.
Because that is in Japan now, I think, the yellow Koenig competition.
Yes, I know.
And it was a blue Koenig competition, Testarossa convertible in US?
A lot. I sold them, they sold them. I made the first BMW 7 Series limousine for Koenig.
Oh really? I remember. They had a white 750.
Exactly.
I have sat in that one.
And that prince who got that car,
it was stopped.
He came to me, and I was just in trouble because I was working on an 850 convertible together with BMW. But BMW noticed that I have all patents on the Technique, and they didn't like it. So they kicked me out very badly. So the prince who got also the Koenig car, I've been introduced by Koenig to the guy. He sponsored me to build the 7 Series 850 convertible.
Yeah, a white one also.
That was a white. The first one, a white one, was for him, and because he paid for everything, and I took the car to Geneva.